Hi guys, welcome. Haven't been posting a lot, but today started back with a strong, amazing trade, over 150 ticks on Nasdaq, which is pretty nice. For sure, you could have found better moves after, but I think as a day trader, what you're trying to do is make money and not like try to find the home run. It was just a clean trade overall. So what can I tell you guys? So first of all, as you can see, this is Nasdaq up here. We were today we had some bullishness overnight, and then what we had is what we call the vaccine company called Moderna posted basically they showed a result test 95% rate for COVID, so that was amazing. But what happened is that since tech has been the index, basically the tech index has been the highest. When Moderna got out the released that news, it was bearish actually for tech stocks basically. And as you can see, at the same time around right here, it was bullish for the S&P. So basically, what that means is that a lot of investors took money from Nasdaq and put them in more diverse indexes or any stock that is not tech stock. So that was the overnight feeling. So what happened after is that when we had an open, so at the open, as you can see, we were more bullish on S&P than on Nasdaq. So I knew that there was going to be some correctness for Nasdaq because yes, okay, Pfizer is, no, sorry, Moderna has released a vaccine, but that doesn't mean that tech stocks are done for they're still very important right now. We still have plenty. We're doing online classes. Everything's online. So I was like, well, this is going to be a corrective. So as you can see, we dipped on the downside, but then we corrected right away. So automatically I saw, okay, wow, like we're actually, regaining our momentum up. And as you can also see, S&P tried to correct itself and go down here and break this downtrend, but automatically bought back up. So I knew at that moment that we were bullish. We were bullish stocks. So now what we needed to see is basically find where we could have entered. So my goal for me was to establish a higher POC. So what happened is that exactly at this price right here, what we see is that S&P and all the other indexes like the Dow Jones, I'll show you later, or even Russell were at already POC. But as you can see, Nasdaq hadn't created a POC. So I said to myself, if I go long Nasdaq, I have less chance of it going down, which is what I don't want. I want it to go up. So I knew that there was more chance of Nasdaq actually going up and that we have a small change right here. So we don't have a big change, but we have a small change. And that's what I was aiming. So as you can see overall, okay, if we continue, we didn't change drastically. We didn't try to go down. We didn't try to go up at this candle right there. And I was already in. And what happened is we had this, even if we had this little candle here, I knew that that S&P was strong. And Russell was strong. And so as you can see, boom, what happened is we had this big uptick. My target was in the 12,000. So my target was at 12,000, which was really close. And it hit on the next candle. Boom. Hit right there, and that was my target. So that was 150 ticks. 150 ticks. 150 ticks move. It was a beautiful move. And yeah, that's it. Made $100 Canadian in over 10 minutes, basically. Literally 10 minutes. Yeah, 9 minutes. So that's my trade of the day. So if you liked it, leave a like, subscribe for more daily videos, and this is exactly what I'm trying to say, is that sometimes you know, okay, if you look at other market, if you look at the Russell after, I don't have like, I have two screens, but I can't share my screen, so my second screen, so I'm just going to show you the index. But if we check out the Russell at the same time, you know, now it's a higher POC, but we had this lower POC that was established right here. So the Russell was also, I knew it was going in, I knew it was going to stay at POC. I knew it wasn't going to dip down like crazy. If we look at the Dow Jones, same thing. Dow Jones, we were staying, inside, and we were even a bit more bullish. So I just waited that we were a bit more bullish on the S&P, on the Dow Jones, and on the Russell, and I knew that Nasdaq was going to follow and not dip down that crazy, because we were at value on three of the four main index. So that's kind of like a correlated trade. Hope you guys liked it. Cheers. Have a great day.